3, 2, 1. All right, here's your first test on the notes. So you probably want to review. So here's your review. We did it earlier. Now what we're going to do now is we are going to do screen share. When we say screen share, we share your screen. All right, so here we go. Chapter 1. You need to know that right there. Come on, give me some organizations. NASCAR, NAT, or ATA. That's not a real one. So just remember that. Go to number 3. Yes, you got to keep up because you can hit pause on this and you can circle what you need to know. All right, who was the executive director that was instrumental in the growth of the NATA? Somebody I know near and dear to my heart. All right, slide 5. Let's go to slide, oh, we jumped. Slide 5, the sports medicine team. Here's your role and responsibilities. That's your role delineation. All right, know these deals right here. Prevention, recognition, care, treatment, healthcare administration, and professional development and responsibility. All right, go to slide 7. Here's your personal qualities as an athletic trainer, and it is 4 of those. Know them by heart because it's listing. Slide 8. Oh, here's 2 of them on slide 8. Slide 8 says they are the team physician is the supervisor of the ATC and is also the one that's diagnosing the injuries. Athletic trainers don't diagnose injuries, they evaluate injuries. The physician is the one who has to diagnose. All right, so let's go to number 10. The employment settings. Where can you work? Then that is a multiple guess. So guess correctly because you need to know what positions or where you can find a job as an athletic trainer. All right, NATA certification. Do you see these little classes right here? Know 4 of them. Anatomy, physiology, psychology, modalities, first aid, nutrition. Now, if the spelling count, if your spelling is atrocious and you're not hooked on phonics, then no, I'm not going to take it. So get hooked on phonics. Ask Barney or the Teletubbies to help you if you have to. Slide 13. CEUs can be earned by an athletic trainer. How? Well, you can go to conventions, speaking at conventions, first aid, CPR, taking a test on the NATA Journal or other related magazine. None of those, you won't get them for traveling in a bus to a basketball game. All right, number 14, we talked about the NATA exam. There were, at one time, there were 3 parts. Now it's 2. This year, the oral part has been removed. We've talked about that. You sit down in Sylvan's Learning Center and you just go take your test. The last one talks about state licensure. And true or false, all states require athletic trainers to have a license. That is false because not all states require them to have a license. All right, I'm going to close that. It's probably going to take me right back to Google Hangouts. Here we go. Let's go to the next chapter. So now that was chapter 1, and now here's the information on chapter 2. Okay? And you want to go to your second slide. The second slide, or third slide, looks like that. Look around. You need to have a fill-in-the-blank answer for 4 of the 7 areas. Okay? There they are. Again, get hooked on phonics. If you can't spell exercise, you're having a tough time to be a freshman in high school. If you can't find records area or etc. now, you're in a world of hurt. Let's go to number, not 5, let's go to 6, let's go to all the way down to 8. 8 and 9, fixed equipment and non-fixed equipment. Non-fixed equipment can be moved. Crutches, training kits, coolers, and an example would be trunks. Okay? Fixed items are things that you don't normally move. So if I had a deal here, a travel trunk is an example of a fixed item. You think that's true or false? All right, so that's 8 and 9. Go down to 10, your budget concerns. You want to bid from reputable companies. You want to look for good prices and inventory your supplies so then you know how much to order. Yes. One sheet inventory, blah, blah, blah. Bid sheet should be sent to reputable companies. Yes. Let's go to 12. Slide 12, additional budget concerns. All right, your vacation does not come out of your budget. It can, sort of, kind of, but we'll talk about that later. But professional dues, CEU costs, vacation costs, no. Office, including postage and printing, you see all that right there. Contracts with physicians. Let's hit that Control Z. All right. Go to 15, injury reports. Why do you do them? You must have injury reports daily with the names player and their status. That is a smart thing. Communication is a key to having a coach being satisfied. SOAP notes. Do you remember SOAP notes? We talked about them. What's the S stand for? OAP. You will see this question where these letters, these words are taken out. You need to fill in what S equals subjective, O objective, A assessment, P equals plan. Fill in the blank. You need to know that. I think you guys did a great job in it when you reviewed in class. Computer in the training room does not replace having a hard. Does not. Got it? Not. You still have to have a hard copy in the file. The other thing about that is that they do make reports easier. There's only two kinds of hard drives, those that have crashed, those that will crash. The only thing about it is you better not crash on your test. Okay? Let me see if I have any other fun stuff for you. And it might be... No, I don't have any other fun stuff. So, if you have any questions, call Miss Salinas. Don't call me.